Today I will teach you how to play keys on a piano. In this lesson, let's create the keys and make them as key presses. In the next lesson, let's add sound to these keys. First, let's create the necessary CSS codes for that. We know that the CSS code is created in the page called style.css. So I will go to that page. Let's first give a background color. I type as body in the first line and open the curly bracket. In between that, background color colon hash f2f2f2 semicolon is given to the second line. I gave a code related to a gray color. Give a color or a code of a color of your choice and arrange the page beautifully. The type of letters entered in the third line is given as font-family sans serif semicolon. Open the h1 tag in the fifth line. In the sixth line, it is typed as text-align center semicolon. The code which needs to be changed, the size of the letters is given in the seventh line as font-size 40px semicolon. Now I create a class called container. Now inside these curly brackets in the 10th line, the width of this part is given as width 15% semicolon in the 11th line. The background color of this part is given as background black semicolon. As learned in the previous lesson, now I will give rotate in front of transform and open brackets. Now in brackets, I give as 90 deg and apply semicolon outside the bracket. In the next line, I give as margin auto semicolon. From the 14th line, to change the size and color of the border to black, it is typed as border left 10px solid black semicolon. In the 50th line, it is given as border radius 5px semicolon. Now we have finished making the codes related to container class. Now I create the codes related to the keys of the piano. In the 18th line, a class called keys is created. Now inside these curly brackets, the background color of the 19th line is given as background white semicolon. To change the color of the letters, I use color hash 575757 semicolon here. Now I adjust the height of the key in the 21st line as height 100px semicolon. From the 21st line, position relative semicolon is given. To set the size and color of the border to black, I type as border left 10px solid black semicolon. Next, I type as transition or 0.25s is -in -out semicolon in the 24th line. From this part, we can adjust the corresponding part of the key to come forward very slowly and go back again. This part will be clear to you in the output.